Hello, my name is Alex. Today I want to tell you my story. A few years ago, I was afraid to speak English. My English was very weak. When people spoke English, my heart beat fast. I understood some words, but I could not speak. I thought people would laugh at me, so I stayed quiet. One night, I asked myself a question. Do I want to stay silent forever? My answer was no. The next day, I started small. I did not start with books. I started with sentences. I said, "Good morning. How are you? I am learning English." Every day, I practiced for 5 minutes. I talked to myself. I talked to the mirror. Sometimes, I made mistakes. I felt embarrassed. But I remembered one thing. Mistakes mean learning. Slowly, my fear became smaller. Slowly, my confidence became stronger. Today, I am not perfect, but I am speaking, and that is progress. If you are listening to me now, and you feel afraid, remember this. You don't need perfect English. You need courage. Start today. Speak one sentence. Your English journey starts now.